Hey guys, what's up? My name is Serge and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about one of my most valuable tools when it comes to making videos, ENVATO Elements. I've been using ENVATO Elements for a long time, pretty much since the day I started this channel. I've also been fortunate enough to have ENVATO as a long-time sponsor, and they're one of the main reasons I'm able to make tutorial videos on my channel. They pay me, so you don't have to. And with ENVATO's Black Friday sale coming up, I thought today would be a perfect time for a beginner guide to ENVATO Elements. So, what is ENVATO Elements? For those of you who don't know, ENVATO Elements is a subscription service that gives you unlimited access to over 10 million professional, royalty-free digital assets. We'll take a look at what they have to offer in a couple of minutes, but first, let's talk about pricing. You have a couple options. You can get a monthly subscription, which will cost you $33 per month, or a much better deal is an annual subscription, which comes in at just under $200 per year. That's half the price of the monthly option, and you end up paying only $16.50 per month if you sign up for a full year. But if you take advantage of ENVATO's Black Friday sale, you can get an additional 50% off, with an annual subscription only costing you $8.25 a month, as long as you keep your subscription. You're not going to find a better deal anywhere. Next, let's look at licensing. A subscription to ENVATO Elements comes with one simple commercial license designed for simplicity. When you download an item from ENVATO Elements, you license it to the project you plan on using it in. Just type in a general name for your project and download a license for the item. Now, as long as you publish your project while you have an active subscription, the license you get with it is good forever, even if you decide to cancel your subscription. If you download an item you want to use across multiple projects, like a video template, all you have to do is go to your downloads page and download an additional license for your next project. As long as you have an active subscription, you can do this as many times as you want. If you decide ENVATO Elements isn't for you and you cancel your subscription, going forward, you can no longer use assets from ENVATO Elements. But all the items you registered before canceling your subscription are still covered. With that out of the way, let's take a look at what you get with a subscription to ENVATO Elements. First, and my most used asset from ENVATO Elements is stock video. A subscription to ENVATO Elements includes over 3 million stock video clips and an additional 500,000 motion graphics. I use stock footage mostly for demo clips for my videos, but these clips can also be awesome for B-roll for your project. And you can get super specific with this too. For example, say you're making a vlog in Toronto, Canada, and you need to convey the passage of time. A day-to-night time-lapse would be perfect for this. All you have to do is search for Toronto day-to-night time-lapse, and you get presented with a number of options. Pick the one you like, license it, and download it for your project. With over 3 million clips, chances are you'll find what you're looking for. Next up is video templates. ENVATO Elements gives you access to a ton of custom titles, transitions, effects, and much more. No matter what your NLE of choice is, they have you covered. They have templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Apple Motion, Final Cut Pro, and even DaVinci Resolve. Just use the filters on the left-hand side to filter out what you need and hover over any of the template packs to preview what they come with. And just like with stock video, you license it to your project, download and install it, and the one simple license got you covered. Let's talk about soundtracks for your project. As many of you already know, the right soundtrack can make or break your project. With ENVATO Elements, you not only get access to a huge library of royalty-free music, but you also get sound effects too. On the left-hand side of your screen, you get a bunch of filters you can use to filter out the available library, and you can preview your song or sound effect right from the main music page. The nice thing about ENVATO Elements is no matter what asset you need, the licensing steps are all the same. Just license a music track to your project, download it, and you're free to use it. And if you ever do get flagged on YouTube, all you have to do is send them a copy of your license, and it's resolved. I've been making videos for over 6 years, and this only happened to me once. Everything was resolved within the same day. Besides having assets to help you make better videos, ENVATO Elements also includes a ton more stuff for other type of creators. They have web templates to help you design a perfect website, stock photos for YouTube thumbnails and website images, custom fonts, presentation templates, graphics, graphic templates, and so much more. And if you sign up between this coming Friday and Monday, you get everything for only $8.25 a month. With ENVATO Elements, you can make professional videos and commercials without ever having to pick up a camera. I strongly encourage you to sign up for their free 7-day trial and set yourself a reminder for Black Friday. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.